The very first thing you want to do is set your temperature to 400 so you can make this yummy, delicious food. The very first thing you want to do is set your temperature to 400 so you can make this yummy, delicious food. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Jay. Today, I am making mini pizzas that will blow your mind. What you're going to need to create this is your cheese already cut up, your tomato paste, your olives that are already cut up also, as you can see, and your Triscuit crackers. Now, to create this, you're going to take your cracker, and then you're going to take your tomato paste. You're going to put a little bit on it, however which way you want to do it. Your tomato paste, your block of cheese, and your olive. Plain and simple. And that's what you do for every single one of them. Now you got them all created, and now you want to transfer them into the pan that you're going to use. Now you transfer them onto your pan. Place them wherever you want on your pan. Now you go and stick them in the oven. Last thing you got to do is set your timer for 5 minutes. Now that the timer is done, it is ready to pull them out. So let's do that. Look at this deliciousness. Oh yeah, can you get anything better than that? Here is the final step. You got to place them on your nice plate that you're using. This is what you're left with. Mini pizzas that will blow your mind. I hope you enjoyed watching this video of me creating mini pizzas that will blow your mind. And if you did enjoy this, please subscribe to my channel below. Click the little red subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you can get the notifications every single time I upload a video, which is at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So watch it accordingly to that time, which is going to be different in your time zone. Also, hit that thumbs up, smash it, squash it, do whatever you have to, high five it. Just do that. Also, share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias. And also, comment below. If there's something you want me to do, please comment below and I will do the best I can to accommodate to your wish. Also, remember, you guys are awesome, amazing, you're one of a kind, you're beautiful, and thank you so much for being part of Cooking with Jay Simkiewicz and Jay's Squad. And also remember, the most important thing is be happy.